Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is PK. I am a channeler of Source Consciousness and Love and Light. I'm going to go into channeling to see what message they have for us tonight. There is a stream of waterfall that connects to your abundance and also your survival instincts. For you have the fear of unknowing, and your fears streamlines into the way you receive your abundance, the way you receive love, the way you receive money, the way you receive help. The more you doubt, the more you get scared, the more you believe those fears, the less they can come to you, because you are decreasing your ability to receive. And as a waterfall flows abundantly, once it hits a certain area of the cliff, its flow is less. It's not that it does not flow, but it is just less. And eventually they meet at the end of the pool, and you will receive it all. But where are you from this viewpoint? Are you at the top watching the waterfall? Are you at the bottom? Are you on the rocks climbing the cliff as the waterfall is falling down? Where are you in this journey that you have found yourself? Are you ready to receive all that you can? For you, it does not matter which position you're in. What matters is understanding the flow so you can begin to receive. So you can begin to be more open to receive what you know you came here to do. It is not about what is worthy, what is deserving. It is about what you can do to be open and to continue to create from within, from yourself, and bring it forth outwardly. We want to remind you that you are the abundant waterfall. You are already abundant. It is only your mind that has tricked you into forgetting how truly abundant you are. You already have the abundant love, the abundant gifts, the luxury, the helpers. The world is your oyster, and you know this, and we know you want this too. So take the time to sit here and breathe and just be open and say, I receive. For you already know what you want. You already know what you wish for. We already know what you want and what you wish for. You don't have to streamline it anymore, for you can be abundantly open like the end of the waterfall. Let it just flow to you easily and openly. Let yourself have access to your abundance. Allow yourself the access to you, to your truth, to the knowing that you are here to receive. And from what you receive, you create. And from what you create, you receive. This cycle will refill your abundance over and over again. So sit here for a moment and breathe and open your arms wide open and say, I'm here and I receive. Can you feel the angels hovering over you? Can you feel their love, their light surrounding you? Can you feel the magic and the miracles, the way you glow and shine? This abundant world is ready to receive you. Stay here as long as you need and be open. That is the message I have for you today. Go ahead and stay and breathe as long as you need to. I'm going to be signing off. Have a good night.